Right, here's the calibration video that you need. You want to start off with the paddle position. Just take a new one. Take a Quest 3, and you want it so you're starting from the beginning. If you go into, whoops, start again. Right, save that. So if you go into the advanced calibration and you want to be in mixed reality mode and you want a flat surface to work with. So the easiest way is to start off with the free move, and then you basically hold the grip button, I think it's called, on the opposite adapter, and you just place where you need to roughly have your adapter. You just want to get it in the ballpark, and then you want to go to these preset orientation buttons. So you hold the paddle adapter fairly flat. If you can see here, I'm trying to get it like kind of straight on the surface, as flat as possible, but it's pretty awkward because I mean the controller's in there. So if you press the Y rotation flat button and then press this grip button on the left trigger, you'll see that the bat moves slightly. And then you want to do the same with X rotation flat, and you'll see that the bat again has moved a little bit. So this should now calibrate your flatness. Then you can hold the bat on the handle and then X rotation up, press the grip button, and then save. Z rotation up, and yeah, you can see each time that it's moving around. You can do the side, but I tend not to bother because it's a bit fiddly. So you're sort of in the ballpark here, but it's not quite exact. What you want to do is you want to measure with your controller where your real paddle is, and you can see it's still miles away. So the easiest way now is to go to adjust the X position. If you hold the grip button in and you move the opposite adapter, the opposite controller up and down, you'll see that it's moving left, in and out, away from you towards you. So you basically just get it kind of where you need to get it here, and then save that, and then go to the Y, and then this will adjust the up and down position. So you just balance it on the tip of the controller here, just to give you roughly, well, as exact as you can make it actually. And you can see it's sort of resting on the handle now. And then with the Z rotation, it moves the bat left and right. So you basically just get it touching the edge of the controller like this, and then you can trace around the bat. But it isn't exact because the shape of the adapter isn't exactly the same shape as the bat. So now you can repeat the process and just fine tune exactly how to get it into calibration with this other adapter, controller, sorry. So I'm fairly happy with that. It's a bit difficult to measure the other side because of the tracking, but I mean this is good enough. And you basically just check in there, getting the rubber to touch the edge of the control, and then you check the opposite side. And then you can use the rotation, which if you look carefully, it will just offset and rotate the racket slightly. So you can also hold the bat flat like this and rotate so that it's perfectly flat or level. I just tend to do it by feel, and the same with the Z rotation. It moves the the bat towards and away from you. I mean, that should be good enough. And you just bring the table back and test it out. If you want to get the bat a bit more fine-tuned to your back or your forehand, you probably want to go for the rotation variable, especially the X one, as it will slightly make the bat flatter when you're using a forehand. So if you're going to make that a bit like, if you're going to make it like that, then it's going to bring the bat towards you on your backhand. So you can flip the rotation a little bit more if you want a bit more flatness on your backhand. It's pretty easy to do. It takes a little bit of practice, but I find this a much better way to do it yourself, because everything is sort of subjective, and I feel like how you calibrate your paddle is also subjective. So yeah, definitely learn how to use this. It's definitely the best way to do it.